Today we talk about how can you enable autophagy on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, sorry, we're going to skip this. When you click here on me down here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You keep going down. So you come here to autophagy here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's mean autophagy notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.